Welcome back to my channel. Got some great news again today. I mentioned yesterday that more states will probably join, and they have. 18 states at this point have joined Texas in the Supreme Court lawsuit against Georgia, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Michigan over election rules. The states at this point that have filed amici curiae briefs to support Texas's case are Missouri, Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Nebraska, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Indiana, Kansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Montana, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Utah, and West Virginia. The Trump attorney, Jordan Sekelo, he was on a show last night, and on that show he called this, quote, the case to end all cases. And he mentioned that it's going to be ruled on today by 3 p.m. So we shall find out what happens with that shortly. This is the docket of the Supreme Court case number 220155. The state of Texas is the plaintiff, as you can see. The Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, the state of Georgia, the state of Michigan, and state of Wisconsin are the defendants. And these amici curiae are briefs filed by the state of Missouri and 16 other states in support of the plaintiff's motion for leave to file a bill of complaint. So this is happening. I got, I think, a comment yesterday that this was an invented news that I presented yesterday in my video, but it's here and it's happening. So that's great. Here again, if you're still unsure about whether this is true, these are the various attorney generals of these states. Curtis Hill from the state of Indiana, Derek Schmidt from the state of Kansas, Jeff Landry from the state of Louisiana, Lynn Fitch from the state of Mississippi, Tim Fox from the state of Montana, Alan Wilson from the state of, that must be South Dakota, Jason R. Ravnus from the state of South Carolina, Herbert H. Slatt, state of Tennessee, and Sean Reyes from the state of Utah, Patrick Morrissey from the state of West Virginia, and on it goes. So here's another copy of the docket. And the last thing I wanted to show you all is this is Jordan Sekelo, who was on Stinchfield yesterday. He's the executive director of American Center for Law and Justice, and he is also on Donald Trump's legal team. And this is what he had to say. He said, I can already report now the Supreme Court has put on the docket the parties Georgia, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Michigan. When you look at the states that were named, they have to now respond by Thursday at 3 p.m. to this bill of complaint. And they have to respond to very specific items. So the Supreme Court is not just considering what Texas filed today, they are now going the next step, which is we want a response from the states named. Again, I think this is very clear. This is the case we've been talking about to reach SCOTUS. This is the outcome determinative case. 62 electoral college votes are at stake, and that's enough to change the outcome of the election. So yeah, that clarifies something. It's not actually that the Supreme Court is going to rule by today, but that the states themselves need to respond to these complaints and submit that response by 3 p.m. today. So we'll see how they respond. That will be very interesting to see, and I will definitely keep you all updated. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.